Karbi Anglong Labor Union is all set to observe its 5th Foundation Day on 2nd of January and National Labor Conference on 3rd of January 2023. With a vision to unite all the laborers of Karbi Anglong under one platform, an organization known as Karbi Anglong Labor Union (KALU) was established on 2nd of January 2019. Many innovative ideas and works were executed through this platform, and also many laborers had benefited from it. Hence, on 2nd of January, the union would complete its glorious mark of 5 years. And to mark the occasion, National Labor Conference would be organized on the following day at Ru Samson Singh Ingti Memorial Park, Diphu.
Lapente, kewang ya sengkan kimia pan, anso se rat data pan, kam keklema tumhan kang tur ponji pusi, nilitum Foundation Day kam Labor National Conference nilitum pado ponikpo pusi nilitum law and order permission and iketlo law and order permission granted lasi permission na lo nangi piya phana ko nilitum keng kam chior tupo.
News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live.